How to pin messages on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can pin messages on Messenger. So the first thing you want to do is simply open up the Messenger application on your mobile device and then simply go to the chat where you want to pin a message. Now, as you can see, these are the two messages I have sent. Now, in order to pin a message, all you have to do is simply long press on the message which you want to pin. After that, it will basically provide you the reactions you can react to this message. You can either reply, copy, pin, or more. So, since we are here to pin a message, we'll simply tap on the pin option right over here. After that, a small pin like icon will appear on the top right side of the message. Now, if you want, you can do this for other messages as well. Now once you've done that, it'll show up you pinned a message see all. Now if you tap on see all, you will be able to see the entire list of all of the different pinned messages. And another way to see pinned message is tap on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen. After that, scroll down and then you can see the option view pinned messages. Now you again will be taken to this page where you will be able to see the list of all of the different pinned messages. So that is basically how you pin a message on Messenger. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.